What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on how you guys can make an extra $100 per day using Facebook fan pages and CPA marketing. Now, keep in mind, you can use this with any product or any service. We're just going to be talking about CPA marketing in this video here. Now, if you like videos that teach you how to make money online, be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. And for all the people that's been hitting me up about the Team DeAngelo V2 website, I made a temporary landing page. So now you guys go to v2.teamdeangelo.com, get all the information. I made an intro video here explaining everything, the whole 9 yards, so you guys can be able to get the answers that you want right away. All right, because I know I haven't been able to reply to a lot of people, but again, been super busy, guys. Been making training for this. Then on top of that, I've been creating CPA offers. So they're going to be 100% exclusive to the Orex network. If you aren't a member over here, definitely make sure you apply so that way you can stop getting shaved. But yeah, been just doing a whole bunch of work, creating CPA offers, then making campaigns for those CPA offers. Just a whole bunch of stuff going on in the back end. But let's jump right into this here. How can you make $100 per day using Facebook fan pages and CPA marketing? So one is, obviously what you need to do is make a fan page based around whatever it is you want to promote. Very simple. Now, again, get away from the making money online niche. I know everyone wants to go for the making money online niche. Stop that. Go for a different niche. If you're having a hard time making money online, it's probably because you're in the making money online niche. You need to realize that 99% of people are not serious about making money. Like, you'll see people, they'll watch videos all damn day long, never take any action, never set up any offers, never do anything but complain about how they didn't make any money, right? That's how it's going to go. 99% of people are just not serious about making money. It's easier to sell a $1,000 iPhone than it is to sell a $10 ebook on how to make money. Think about that. The ebook costs 100 times less than the goddamn iPhone, but it's still easier to sell the iPhone. I'm telling you guys, get out of the making money online niche. Stop trying to force people to make money. Sell them shit that they want to buy. If they want to buy the iPhone, sell them the iPhone. Just sell people stuff. They want to be sold useless knickknacks, sell it to them. Stop trying to force people to change. That's why so many people don't make money. Just give people what they want. All right. But anyway, let's say we're gonna make a fan page about. Let's say our CPA offer is about a dog offer, right? Let's say they're gonna give away free treats or something like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just start making posts about that dog. Like, that's it. Now, instead of just having it where it's like a legit dog treat and that's all you're gonna talk about, what you're gonna do instead is maybe put up some funny videos, something that's going to get people to share that page. That's all you want to do. Like, you want that, oh, what is this? Like, let's say you have, this is the video, whatever, then like you have like the description, like, hey, just check it out, right? Instead of just having an entire video, that you go make in, iMovie or something like that, talking about this product or whatever, this treat. How about instead, again, you just take a funny video or something like that, put it up there, and then again, invite people, and then they would just share it. Like, that's it. Well, I kind of skipped a step there, but you guys already know now what you're going to be doing to get traffic. But yeah, then you would just have that set up right there, and just repeatedly do that. You want content that's going to be shareable. Like, if it's a funny dog video or something like that, or boom, people are just going to be sharing it, and then again, you're going to get more exposure to that link that's on there. Instead of, again, just making an entire video about a product, then no one is going to share it. So yeah, if you got some funny content, or something that's cool, just put that on there, and then just have the link in there low key. Like, okay, by the way, if you want a free dog toy, oh, this was a hilarious video. If you want a free dog toy, here's this, or this video was sponsored by this, or something like that. Obviously, I'm just throwing you guys some stuff off the top of my head here. But yeah, once you do that, you got the page all up and running, you got a few posts and all that stuff. All you're going to do is literally just have people, invite other people to that page. And that's all you have to do. It is extremely simple. Now, to find these people, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Facebook groups, or you can even use your own friends on your friends list, right? Now, it really just depends on your friends list. Now, for example, the Team DeAngelo page is all about making money online. So if I go to my Team DeAngelo fan page and then I start, I go to my Team DeAngelo profile, my regular profile or whatnot, and I start messaging people like, hey, I'll give you $50 if you invite all your friends to my fan page. And that's it. And now it's not like how it was in the old days. We have to go through and click each one or whatever. Like legit, you can push the button and it invites 2,500 friends. Then they do it a little bit later. Again, click it, boom, 2,500 friends. And all they got to do is just send you a screenshot or something like that. Boom, you're good to go. All right, that simple. And that's literally how you're going to be able to get thousands of people to go to that fan page over and over and over and over and over. All right. Now again, you want to make sure it's some shareable content, because what's the point of just having it to where it's like just some garbage video and it's not going to convert. Like again, you want it to be shareable content. Like you want it to be content first, CPA offer second, or affiliate offer, or whatever it is you run. You want that to be second. You want the content to be there first, just to start building up the page and all that stuff. Because you're going to start getting a lot of likes, a lot of shares, and all that like right away, super fast. And the best part about this is like it's instant traffic. All right. So yeah, that's a very, very, very simple way that you guys can make money. Again, all they have to do is come down here, see all friends, and then today, right? So then we got not invited, right? 863 friends. So we just select all, click send invites, boom, that's it, we're done. 800 and something people just like that. Now again, you just pay people, like you go to people who got like 5,000 friends. There you go. Now, if your profile is not, based around whatever that you have, you're gonna have to do a little bit of digging. Let's say it's like a specific niche, like a certain type of gardening, right? Like, or or it's a particular product to help like a flower or something like that, like one specific flower or something like that. Then of course you're gonna have to go to a few Facebook groups and then just start digging, right? And like boom, you see right there, already got a like on the page. Oh, that's Mark. I fucks with Mark. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is a very simple method. All you have to do, again, is make your fan page, put some shareable content on there. Then from there, click the invite button if you want to invite your own fans, your own friends, or go out there and just start finding people. That's it. That's all you got to do. Find people that have the friends that you don't have, the people who are going to engage with your content. Again, you want it to be like the actual people that's going to be for. So let's say you were I don't know, promoted some shit about Trump. Obviously, you would go to a Trump, positive or negative, whichever one you're going to, whatever post you're making, and you want to go for it. You can do the reverse or whatnot, because when it comes to Trump, it's either you hate the dude or you love the dude. There really isn't any in between. And his people who are ride or die for him, they are going to go to bat, and they're going to blow that comment section up. And then the people who just hate that man, again, they're going to blow the comment section up. So he one of those anomalies right there. Anything about him was going to blow the hell up. You can say Trump woke up this morning and people are going to be mad as fuck. But yeah, guys, you guys get the point in this video now. If you got any questions, be sure to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Just put them in the comment section down below.